Hello, this is George Senda, the real official, authentic, original, the one, the only, the official, the guy from Pittsburgh, except no cheesy YouTube commentators, imposters, trolls, or imposters who copy my content, use my video titles in their videos, mimic what I say, and use pictures and things that are edited in their videos, or who wear cat masks. All right, this is Burgh unboxing. I've already checked it out. This comes from Shenzhen City, China. I think everything comes from Shenzhen City, China. I will not tear this open with my teeth. I found my scissors. So let's open this. Now I have these items of sorts. I have my Charizard. No, I have my, not Charizard. I have my little mailman Pokemon, whose name escapes me all the time. He was delivering the mail with a mail bag. We have here it's all sticky. Oh my God, it's sticky. Why is it sticky? Oh, that's the rubber. It's still sticky. Anyway, this is a key ring. But the edges are sticky. I'm a little puzzled why this would be sticky. Maybe you take it off. I don't know. I can't tell. This may be a sticky cover. Underneath will be Corona. Oh boy. I don't think you're supposed to take the stickiness off. No, it didn't. That seemed to mess it up. I don't know. I thought this would be a plastic cover for it, but there's some rubber sticky stuff underneath it. So it looks like that was a mistake to do that. Of course, they don't leave any instructions for this. The instructions they got are in Chinese. That's a big friggin' help. Here are your other instructions, also in Chinese. So thank you, whoever sent this, I think. I don't know. No, if you try to pull this off, it pulls the whole cat off. So I will just put this on my other key ring, maybe. But I just messed it up, thinking this had to be removed. It's really, it feels really like glue. Not such a good idea, and that's going to get wrecked anyway with use, but no, you can't remove this. So thank you for sending it. I wish people would stop sending me this little bric-a-brac. I got enough stuff in here. I need things like dish soap and toilet paper and paper towels and cleanser, and I can't think of what else. 10 cans of Fancy Feast for my kitties, and all the kitties got fed today. So thank you for this, but it was something that I don't really need, but I appreciate the thought. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great day. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be. Stay warm and dry, or cool and dry, and stay safe. And by the way, my other keychain that I use for the post office, the laundry room, the extra front door keys, has my Iron City bottle opener on it. So that's what I use for my others. I have two sets of keys, one to get in the house and one to go to the mailbox. All right, that's it. It is 6:04 p.m. All the outdoor kitties have been fed, including Bully Bully and Bully Boy, who was hanging by the fence downstairs. And he was. I had to coax him. Come on, no one will hurt you. And he didn't attack the other kitties anymore. I got him to finally stop doing that, but he was very reluctant to come and eat. And I had to stand about 9 feet from him before he would go eat some wet food. But he got fed. And so did the pretty gray one, who was out in the middle of the street. And I said, "Well, you get out of the street, cat. You're going to get run over." So he came and ate his. He did not eat dry food. He just ate the wet food. And Tiny One and Gray and Orangey all got fed. No Blackie today. So I have to have 10 cans of cat food for my kitties because I will run out. I have enough cat food for all the other kitties, dry and wet, and for mine. So I've gone through one bin of Meow Mix already. And I was going to go to Kathy on Thursday. That's out. And I don't know about my MRI tomorrow, if that's going to be canceled or not. I may just go to San Francisco because it takes 2 hours or more to get over there. And if they say come in for the MRI, then I'm already on my way. If they don't, I can always go over there, get off on BART, and come back. You're allowed to go out and shop and to go to the get medication, go get gas, and go get money from the bank, the ATM. But that's it, and you can have food delivered as long as that goes on. All right, see you later. Bye bye. Have a good night.